Go away. Wave, can you wave to the camera? Go away. Show the camera your dinosaur. Can you see yourself in there?
It's Emily too.
It is Everly. Yeah. You don't know. Hey everyone, so today we are going to do an unboxing of this box in front of us. It is the... okay, you're already trying to open it. Should we just open it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Me and my brother's a bundle, baby. Come here. Hey everyone, so today is going to be an unboxing of the Plunket Razor Bundle second birthday box. He is turning 2 in a couple of days, which means Plunket Razor Bundle campaign is turning 2, which is an amazing thing. I wanted to join it because Plunket has helped me out through my baby's early years. So let's open it. Should we open it? Yeah? I don't think scissors was the best idea. We're just going to have to... What do you think is going to be in here?
It's the dolls and puzzles and chocolate.
I kind of already told you a little bit. It's going to open?
Yeah.
What is in here? Oh, it's a Plunket bag. It says to Arlo and family. This is a card that looks like it's from Plunket itself. And I'm not allowed to read it. What does it say? Yeah, that's correct. This says, to Arlo and family, happy second birthday to you, Arlo.
It's the pumpkin and to Arlo.
Yeah. And to Razor Bundle. Here is a parcel full of Plunket goodies and goodies from our Plunket partners. To celebrate our time, enjoy, love the Plunket Razor Bundle. What's on there? What's that? What is that?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
That's what it is.
And what? Oh, there's more chocolate.
Oh, we need balloons. He can have balloons, for parties.
Balloons. Balloons for your birthday party.
And there's more balloons.
More balloons? So many balloons.
And there's these two ones.
What are they?
They are black rubbers.
They're not rubbers, they're magnets.
Yeah.
There's a Plunket line magnet. What is that? So in the bag there was Dettol wipes, which is awesome. I love wipes for cleaning up things. There's a Plunket to-do list notepad. There was some Bee Panthen antiseptic cream, which is great for nappy rashes and other cuts. There's some Raise a Bundle stickers. There is a reusable coffee cup, which I believe you can buy this and donate to Plunket, which is awesome. It's got little birds on it. There is a B&Z drink bottle, which my kids are very thirsty creatures, so that's awesome.
There's some drinking.
And what have you guys got? You guys have got chocolate.
And
There's Penny the Penguin storybook, which was donated by B&Z.
somebody was here.
What's this? This is a... It's a rocket puzzle. Lots of balloons from Plunket. Last but not least, we have this book here from Best Start, which is a book on bright ideas for young minds, 70 step-by-step activities to do at home with your child. So that's awesome. There's so much cool stuff in here.
Open it.
Wow, look at all the stuff in here. Cool. So there's lots of recipes and lots of like activities. So thank you Plunket for letting us be part of this amazing opportunity. Do you like the chocolate? I think their favourite part was definitely the chocolate, but other than that I just want to say a huge thank you to Plunket. Happy birthday Razor Bundle, and happy birthday to my Razor Bundle child Arlo. What do you think? Sticker! Bye!
Bye!
Thank you so much to all the sponsors, including B&Z, Dettol, Whittaker's, Bayer, and especially Plunket.